All right, it's brisket day. We've just gone ahead and basically cleaned up the brisket here a little bit, got rid of any unnecessary fat, trimmed down on the opposing side here, about a 1/4 inch is what we've done here with the fat top. And again, just kind of cleaned it up a bit here. We're about ready to add our GMG beef rub onto this brisket. We're gonna let it set for about 30 minutes and we're gonna toss it on the grill. All right, we got that GMG rub generously coated on both sides of the brisket, making sure to get the edges, all the nooks and crannies. I'm a big fan of the GMG beef rub. I think it just really offers simple seasonings and spices that really bring the piece of meat to life. So it's one of my favorites. Feel free to try any seasoning that you want on here. We're about ready to fire up the grill. All right, we've got the brisket on the grill, fat cap side up. I'm running at 230 degrees right here. We're gonna let this go for 8.5 hours before we wrap it up.
All right, there's our brisket after 8.5 hours on there. Looking good. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna put it back on there at 240 until we hit an internal temp of right around 200, 205.
All right, we're ready for the reveal. We did 2.5 hours wrapped, hit a final internal temp of 203. Steve, let's unwrap that bad boy. See what we're working with.
Oh, that was fantastic.
Oh yeah, all right. Let's get ready for the first slice. Oh yeah. Look at that smoke ring right there. Woo! And the juice. Yeah. Brisket done right.
It's perfect.